Hey guys, it's me Riley, and I'm going to be adding a whole bunch of beads like this into my slime. Let me turn the camera on, and here's the slime we'll be adding it to. It's a little slime. I want it to be a little slime though, because it's gonna make it really crunchy once I add the beads. The beads are these colors. And let's get started to all the adding. I have a lot of these beads that I'll be adding. They really like to roll away though. I might not add all the beads in this container, but I'll be adding most of the beads in that container. I'm not adding the beads that aren't cut yet. These beads used to be necklaces, for necklaces. Then I cut them and put them in slime. Because I just wanted to. And I feel like it'd make a cool video for you guys, and it'd be cool for the slime. And yes, it's a very good slime. Now it's going to be even better with all the beads there, isn't it? Trying to make the camera so you guys could see all the beads, and the slime.
Riley, get in the shower.
Okay. Sorry, I'm close. Okay, I'm getting ready. And here's the slime. Now it's really like crunchy. It's really stretchy too. And yeah. Thanks for watching my video. Please give a like, subscribe, and comment, please. Thank you. Bye.